Good morning, G3. Welcome on Tuesday with the list of new tasks for today. So I would like to start with maths as we are talking about 3D shapes. I have a task for you to find those shapes in your house. Okay, so try to find the real life examples of cone, pyramid, cube, sphere, cylinder, and publish the photos on Padlet. So I prefer the special Padlet web page. So you can add a comment by clicking the plus at the bottom, and you can publish some photos with your own examples found in your house or in your garden maybe. So a short scavenger hunt for you. For those who feel like practicing a bit more, mathematics as usually. And now English. So today we will talk about conjunctions. So the words that link to words, phrases, or clauses. Okay, so I would like you to watch a brain pop video about conjunctions. Remember, you can log in as ISOB grade 3. The password is grade 3. For the volunteers or those who feel like learning about more about conjunctions, those who need some more explanation, videos on YouTube. Okay, 2 links are there as well. So in your English notebooks, I would like you to write down the topic. Conjunctions, write down the definition and the examples which are here, and then the worksheet. So in the first one, you need to find the conjunction and underline it, or if you don't have a printer and you want to print out the worksheet, just write down the conjunction in your English notebook. Susan and Maggie went to the fair. Which word connects two thoughts, two phrases or sentences? And connect. The dinner tasted good, but wasn't very hot. Which one shows you the contrast? But. Well done. And so on and so on. So that's the first worksheet. And the second one is like, you've got the conjunction given. And Nathan likes chocolate. He likes ice cream. So you need to glue those two sentences in one with the conjunction. So combine two sentences using the words in the bracket. So we would change it into Nathan likes chocolate and ice cream, and that's the use of conjunctions. So they are the connecting words. If you feel like you want to do something more, I would like you to write your own examples with the conjunctions and or because, sorry, in the list. So and but or because so. Sorry. And now you need a big brain. Last time we talked about the oil. How was the oil created by nature a long time ago? So today you've got a video about gas and oil on BrainPub, but please do not log in as ISOB grade 3. You created your own account, and that's what you will need again, as there is a task assigned to your account. So if you click the link that I published, you will see something like that, and then you log in with your own login, and then I will see who completed the task and what was your result. So yeah, and then the experiment with the oil. We don't need much stuff. Plastic container, some water, vegetable oil, mm, cotton pads, paper towel. So you will see what happens if the oil spill on the ocean. And as it might be quite dangerous, I would like you to be aware of the consequences of that. So the experiment will show you to understand it, I hope, and mm, it will just make it more clear for you. If you don't have the needed stuff, there is a YouTube video with the person who will run the experiment, and the description of the experiment you will find on Google Drive. Yeah, so step by step what to do. For the volunteers, again, always do read aloud book. So it may occur somewhere in the world almost every day of the year. So the book focuses on one of the worst spills in the history. And you will listen to that story if you click the link on YouTube. And that's all for today. And during our meeting at 10:30 on Zoom, we are having a math lesson. So I would like to have your math notebook, pen, and a pencil. Okay? And to answer the questions, because probably some of you would ask, like, can I have just the pen? Or no, pencil is also needed as we are going to draw a bit. Okay? And we know that we don't use pen for drawing. So notebook, pen, and pencil. Eraser if you want, and a ruler if you've got it. So see you at 10:30. See ya!